Hello everyone, welcome to today's new episode. Today we will discuss Echo Show 15, Full HD 15.6 Smart Display for Family Organization with Alexa. First 100 people will get 20% discount if they buy from our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Echo Show 15, Full HD 15.6 Smart Display for Family Organization with Alexa. Alexa can show you even more with a 15.6 Full HD 1080p smart display and 5MP camera. Family organization and entertainment will look brilliant. Reimagine how your family stays organized and entertained with a personalized smart display that helps keep everyone on track and in sync. You can mount it on a wall or display it with a compatible stand. Use Alexa-powered widgets to keep the family on track with shared calendars, personal sticky notes, to-do lists, shopping lists, and assigned reminders. Choose the widgets you see on the home screen so you can glance at the information that's most important to you and your family. You can also ask Alexa can help feed the fam, get daily recipe ideas, cook along hands-free with step-by-step instructions, add ingredients to your shopping cart, or simply order meal kits or takeout. Your smart home at your fingertips. Add your most used smart devices to the home screen for quick access, and see all compatible devices together on one dashboard. Family members can create profiles and use Visual ID and Voice ID, so Alexa can recognize who's who and show the right information to the right person, like appointments, reminders, recently played music, and more. Catch up on the news or watch your favorite shows and movies. Enjoy Amazon Music with lyrics you can see on the screen, plus podcasts, radio stations, and audiobooks. To create a fuller sound, we recommend pairing your Echo Show 15 with other compatible Echo devices to surround yourself with a multi-room music experience.